Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Perhaps what here again. If you're stopping by for the first time, please kindly consider hitting on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Or if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. So today I want to give you a very short room tour of what a hotel room in Intercontinental Hotel in VI Lagos looks like. So this is one of the biggest hotels on the island, and I'm opportune to spending the night here today. So I'm just gonna do a quick room tour for you guys. So if this is your first time seeing this face, please kindly consider hitting on the subscribe button, like, share this video, and without further ado, let us head straight into this video right away. So I have just checked Google and it is about 105,000 naira per night. I mean, that's what I saw in booking.com. I'll leave the screenshot here. So it is literally luxury. So let me show you guys what it looks like.
I hate voiceovers. Oh well, we have to do this. This is the door that leads to the room, and then you will see this bright light, and then this big full mirror, and me saying hi. On the left hand side of the room, you will find the toilet and the bathroom, so let's go in. This is me in the mirror saying hi, and that's this small mirror that magnifies your face, and then the regular mirror. This is lightning, I guess. All the soaps and shampoo that they kept. What is inside this place? Let's find out together. Oh, I feel like it is toothbrushes. Oh, nice one. Let me open it better so we can see. Oh wow, nice one. Now this is the sink, and then there's a drawer here. You can store whatever it is you have to store. There's this guy here to check my weight. I checked my weight and I am not proud, guys. I'm not proud of my weight. That's a waist bin, and then this is a bathtub. I love the way it is positioned, and I made sure I had some good time over here. So yeah, the bathtub is directly facing the room, and it is demarcated with a glass so you can see through. That's the towel they kept there. Let me check if the water is clean. Of course it is. Of course, this is a 5-star hotel, so what were you expecting? So yeah, that's the robe they kept there. Looks huge and comfy. After taking my bath, I shall make sure I wore that. And then let's head over to the bathroom. Here's a very huge shower that they have here, and basically that's what it is. And then soaps and all. I love the towels in the bathroom though, it looks nice. And then when you slide the door open, you will see the toilet. There's this fine artwork there, and then there's a telephone there in case shit hook for your nyash if you call them. Seriously, what is wrong with me? What did I just say? But yeah, there is something you can use to make a call. And here by my right, you will see this wardrobe. Let's open it and see what we've got. Okay, these are hangers, and then of course my bag. I told you guys I'm just spending a night here. And then in this other side, there are spaces to put clothes and shoes. And then there is this safe where you can save anything you want pending when you leave the hotel room. The next drawer, you will see laundry bags and instructions in case you really want to wash, or you can just read the instructions and go do that. The next drawer is also empty. Wow. So basically that's what it is for the wardrobe area. Now let's move into the room. Moving into the room, by your right, you first see this tea kettle, cups, water, and all that. And yeah, you just by the right, and then there is a fridge beneath it, and open cabinet as well. Yeah. So basically, this place you can actually put wine here. I mean, this place has so many beautiful things. Why they maintain space, they still like build a whole bunch of stores that are fine and useful. Then that's the television. And then yeah, instead of console, you see something that is creative. So let's say you're coming here for honeymoon, or you came from another country to this place. You can pack your things in all these places that they've like set for. So basically, I love how they made the room spacious and then built compartments where you can fix stuff. Anyway, we are at the reading table area. Here you can read and the book go enter your head. Yeah, basically there is a pen and there's also a paper here that you can use to write. You can make a telephone call to the reception if you want to, and you can turn on the electric bulb, especially when you are reading or something. See me trying to film and yeah, so I actually like did a whole bunch of stuff here. I also walked because when I came back this night, I really needed to like walk, so this reading area was useful to me. Here is the best part of the room for me. If I'm standing here, it feels like I'm on top of the world. There's also a couch and a table here where you can just sit in the evening, sip your drink, and just have a chill time. But guys, have you seen what the view from this place looks like? Hold on, let me show you. So basically, this is what a room in Intercontinental Hotel looks like, and the budget is about 105,000 naira. I believe it is comfy, luxury, and you know, for people in some certain stage of their life financially. Not people like me for now, because I'm actually here on, you know, company's accord. Like my company's accord, I wouldn't have just woken up one morning and decided to like lodge in a luxury apartment like this. And I believe this video will help someone out there trying to like, okay, see what it looks like, and you've already seen. So if you have the money and you're interested, you can just go ahead. Am I actually advertising right now? Anyways, I guess this brings us to the end of this video. If you love this amazing video, then do not forget to like, share. I'm just here because of the lightning. I didn't bring my ring light. Of course, I cannot be going around with my ring light. Anyways, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in my next one, and until then, bye.